There's an underrated AI-powered side hustle gaining traction where individuals are earning as much as $1,579 daily by creating trivia videos using Canva and TikTok. It's surprising that more people aren't taking advantage of this simple yet lucrative opportunity, as some accounts have generated thousands of dollars in their first week. The process involves leveraging free and accessible tools like Canva and ChatGPT to create engaging trivia content, which is then monetized through TikTok's advertising program and affiliate commissions. The method starts with Canva, where users can select pre-made trivia video templates to simplify the creation process. With a template ready, they turn to ChatGPT, an AI text generation tool, to generate trivia questions. These questions can range from general knowledge to niche topics, tailored to engage a specific audience. By adding the generated trivia to Canva templates, users quickly produce professional-looking videos, often using AI-generated voiceovers to narrate the questions and answers. Once the videos are created, they are uploaded to TikTok. Trivia content has proven to resonate strongly with TikTok's audience, with some accounts gaining millions of views shortly after launching. For example, Trivia Time HQ, a popular account, garnered 22 million views within their first week, earning an estimated $11,000 during that time. This success is driven by TikTok's Creativity Beta program, which pays creators for views on videos longer than 1 minute. With payouts averaging 50 cents to $1 per 1,000 views, it's clear why this niche has become an enticing opportunity. TikTok's monetization program, however, requires creators to reach at least 10,000 followers before they can start earning. Fortunately, trivia content tends to go viral quickly, making it easier to achieve this threshold. Many accounts using this strategy, such as Trivia Cat and Brain Burst, have demonstrated rapid growth, gaining tens of thousands of followers in just a few weeks. For those who may not qualify for TikTok's advertising program, affiliate marketing offers another viable revenue stream. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services through referral links, earning commissions for each successful sale. For example, creators can include affiliate links for products like language learning courses in their TikTok bios. One account targeting English learners used this strategy effectively, directing followers to a link tree with affiliate links for relevant courses and ebooks. ClickBank, a popular affiliate marketplace, provides access to high-commission products in various niches, making it an excellent resource for creators looking to monetize their trivia content globally. The trivia content itself is generated with ChatGPT, which allows users to create customized quizzes effortlessly. Free or paid versions of the tool can be used, depending on the user's preferences. ChatGPT generates questions with multiple choice answers and can tailor the difficulty level or question style based on prompts. This customization ensures that the quizzes cater to specific audience interests, whether they prefer easy, intermediate, or expert-level questions. After generating trivia content, creators use Canva to design their videos. Canva's user-friendly interface makes it easy to incorporate text, graphics, and animations, producing visually appealing trivia videos that grab viewers' attention. By using Canva's templates and editing tools, creators can maintain a consistent and professional style across their videos without extensive design experience. This AI-powered side hustle offers a flexible and accessible way to generate income. Whether monetized through TikTok's advertising program, affiliate marketing, or a combination of both, trivia content has proven to be a lucrative niche. With tools like ChatGPT and Canva simplifying the creation process, anyone can start earning money by tapping into this growing trend. Creating engaging video trivia quizzes for platforms like TikTok is an excellent way to attract views and traffic. Canva Pro makes this process remarkably straightforward, especially with its vast array of templates and intuitive tools. If you're interested, you can get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro via the affiliate link in the description below. This link is optional, but using it is always appreciated. To get started, sign into your Canva account and select the option to create a mobile video. Canva's template feature simplifies the process, allowing you to search for and select pre-built quiz video templates that align with your niche's aesthetic. While you'll ultimately customize the template significantly, choosing one that fits your initial vision is helpful. Once selected, apply the template to both pages of your quiz. Each quiz question will consist of 2 video pages, one for the question and another for the answer. Begin customizing by modifying the title to reflect the theme of your quiz. For example, you might change it to Geography Quiz or a title that suits your content. Adjust the colors, fonts, and text sizes, and reposition elements as needed. Next, replace the template's placeholder question with your own, generated perhaps by tools like ChatGPT. Simply double-click a text box to edit its content and update the answers to align with your quiz theme. One of Canva's standout features is its extensive library of visual elements, such as photos and graphics. These can be used to personalize the background of your quiz pages. To do this, delete the existing background image, navigate to the Elements tab, and search for visuals that match your theme. Drag your chosen photo onto the canvas, resize it to fill the screen, and position it at the bottom layer so it sits behind other elements. Repeat this process for the answer page, ensuring that the background matches the question page. To maintain consistency, you can copy and paste elements from the question page to the answer page. On the answer page, adjust the question and answers so that the correct answer corresponds to its position in the question screen. For instance, if the correct answer is option B in the question page, ensure it remains option B on the answer page. Update the text to match, and clear any animations from copied elements to start fresh. Once your visuals and layout are complete, you can add an AI-generated voiceover. Canva offers an integrated app called VoiceOver, developed by Autopilot, which enables you to generate professional-sounding narration. Many viral quiz videos on TikTok use the Adam deep male voice and a conversational style. After typing your script into the app, generate the audio and place it in your video timeline. While the app provides 400 free characters, additional characters can be purchased if needed, offering great value for the number of videos you can create. Alternatively, you can use external apps like MicMonster to create short, free voice clips for upload into Canva. To make your quiz more interactive and engaging, consider adding sound effects, such as a bell ding when the correct answer is revealed. You can find these effects in Canva's audio library. Once chosen, drag and place the sound effect where it fits best in your timeline. This adds a polished touch to your video. To build the rest of your quiz, duplicate and customize your existing pages for each additional question. Update the questions, answers, and background images to match the new content, and ensure the correct answers are positioned consistently across pages. Add corresponding voiceovers and sound effects for each new question and answer screen. By repeating this process, you can create a complete, professional-looking video quiz. When your quiz is finished, exporting it is simple. Click the Share button, select Download, and choose MP4 as your file type. Once the download is complete, you're ready to upload your quiz to TikTok and share it with your audience. Canva makes creating content like video trivia quizzes accessible to everyone. If you're eager to explore more ways to earn money using Canva, check out additional tutorials to take your content creation skills to the next level.